at tonight's GLAAD Awards as Jennifer Lawrence, Leonardo DiCaprio, and Charlize Theron have come out to honor Bill Clinton. We're here with Freddie Smith from Days of Our Lives. What brings you out here this evening?
Support this foundation. It's so amazing, and there's so many incredible people here. There's like thousands of people here tonight. It's so awesome to be a part of it, and for our show to be nominated. It's wonderful.
Congrats on that. Let's talk about your outfit tonight. Take me through it piece by piece.
I wore this during a scene in Days, and I loved it so much. I was like, can I borrow this for the show? So it's a bunch of different stuff. I think this is Hugo Boss, this is Zara, Calvin Klein shoes, and Armani pants. So you can see that I mixed it up.
What are some of your red carpet tips?
Red carpet tips: try not to be too nervous, be yourself, and just have fun. That's what I do. You know, I try to go in because there's a lot of like, what do you say, what not to say. I just talk from the heart, have a good time.
Now, you kind of have a very flawless manscaped look. Do you have a particular product you're a big fan of?
Oasis, O-S-I-S, is that how you would pronounce that? Little red container. I use that for gel. My hair's longer than it's ever been right now, but I'm gonna be cutting it soon, so I just wanted to rock out the slick back look tonight, and I use that, some hairspray. Usually I have my hair just short and messy with not much product. I wanted to grow it out, try something new for a little bit.
Well, it looks great. Have a wonderful night tonight. Thank you for chatting with us.